What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best fishing rod and reel combo on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. In our list, the number 1 product name is Casking Centron Lite Fishing Rod and Reel Combo. The Casking Centron Lite Fishing Rod and Reel Combo is made to give anglers a smooth and balanced fishing experience. Built with carbon fiber and graphite, the rod is both lightweight and strong, making it easy to handle while keeping durability in place. The length of 7 feet 6 inches allows wide casting distance, which helps in reaching areas where fish are harder to catch. Its design makes it a dependable choice for anyone between the age range of 18 to 70. The stainless steel guides with ceramic rings provide excellent line flow, whether using braided line or monofilament. The combination keeps the weight low and balance proper, while also making the rod visually appealing. Comfortable handling is important in long hours of fishing, and the contoured EVA handles with a fighting butt ensure the grip stays secure. The rear handle options make it suitable for both smaller freshwater species and larger ones such as salmon, catfish, or steelhead. The spinning reel paired with this rod is designed for smooth operation. With a 5.2 to 1 gear ratio and multiple ball bearings, the reel reduces effort and delivers steady performance. The anti-twist roller and aluminum spool improve casting and retrieval, while the triple disc felt drag system provides enough stopping power for larger catches. Whether you are fishing casually at the lake or targeting bigger species in rivers, this fishing rod and reel combo offers performance and reliability at an affordable price. The Casking Centron Lite is built to support different fishing styles, giving both beginners and experienced anglers a practical option for their fishing gear collection. In our list, the number 2 product name is Casking Spartacus Twin Tip Fishing Rod and Reel Combo. The Casking Spartacus 2 Twin Tip Fishing Rod and Reel Combo is made with a design that gives anglers balance, control, and dependable performance on the water. Crafted from strong graphite material, this rod delivers the right mix of durability and sensitivity so even the smallest bites can be noticed. At a length of 7 feet, it offers enough reach for both short and long casts, making it useful in different fishing conditions. A 2-piece build with an extra tip section ensures reliability when spending long hours outdoors. This backup option gives peace of mind to anglers who need consistent support during trips. With choices in spinning and casting combos, the Spartacus 2 offers versatility for a wide range of fishing styles. The stainless steel guides, paired with zirconium rings, allow lines to move smoothly without friction. This makes casting longer distances easier and keeps performance steady. Handles made from rubber cork give comfort and reduce strain during extended use, while the built-in hook keeper adds convenience when moving between spots. The spinning reel included in this combo is designed with a smooth bearing system, offering effortless casting and retrieval. A strong drag power allows it to manage larger fish with confidence. The gear ratio ensures steady line retrieval, while durable internal parts built from zinc alloy, stainless steel, and brass add strength for repeated use. For anglers who prefer a casting reel, the Spartacus 2 combo also delivers smooth operation with fast line recovery and reliable drag. Aerospace aluminum and brass components help maintain long-lasting performance, even in demanding waters. This fishing rod and reel set is built to provide a dependable choice for both new and experienced anglers. In our list, the number 3 product name is Casking Centron Fishing Rod and Reel Combo. The Casking Centron Fishing Rod and Reel Combo is designed for anglers who want balance, comfort, and reliable performance on the water. Built with strong yet lightweight graphite material, this rod gives the right amount of sensitivity so small bites can be noticed while still being durable enough to handle bigger catches. At 6 feet in length, it offers control for accurate casting, making it suitable for a variety of fishing conditions. A two-piece build allows easy transport and storage, while different length options make it versatile for everything from trout and bass to salmon or catfish. The rod is finished with contoured handles that provide a steady grip during long days of fishing. A fighting butt design helps add strength and stability, reducing strain and improving overall balance while casting or reeling in heavy fish. Stainless steel guides with smooth inserts allow fishing lines to pass through without friction. This helps with long-distance casting and makes the rod more dependable for different line types. The sleek black and blue color design gives it a modern look while keeping the build lightweight and easy to manage. The combo comes with a spinning or bait casting reel that pairs well with the rod for smooth performance. A strong drag system makes it easier to handle larger catches, while the compact design gives steady control when casting or retrieving. Internal parts are made from a combination of aluminum, stainless steel, and graphite, which ensures durability without adding unnecessary weight. Whether fishing in freshwater lakes or rivers, this rod and reel combo is built to give both new and experienced anglers a dependable tool that performs well in different fishing environments. In our list, the number 4 product name is Casking Crixs Fishing Rod and Reel Combo. The Casking Crixs Fishing Rod and Reel Combo is built to give anglers a balanced mix of strength, sensitivity, and comfort for different fishing styles. It has a sleek white and black design with a rod length of 6.6 feet, making it suitable for adult anglers who want both function and style in their fishing gear. Crafted from aluminum, carbon fiber, and graphite materials, it combines durability with a lightweight feel that enhances control. The frame of the reel is carbon infused, while the spool is made of aluminum, creating a strong yet light construction that performs well in freshwater and saltwater fishing environments. Anglers can depend on its smooth action supported by multiple stainless ball bearings and a powerful drag system that adds confidence when fighting larger fish. The rod itself is made with graphite blanks that offer a sensitive feel, making it possible to detect even small movements in the water. The two-piece structure allows for simple carrying and storage without sacrificing the feel of a single-piece rod, thanks to its power transition technology. This feature ensures consistent balance and reliable performance during long casting sessions. Guides are constructed from stainless steel and fitted with zirconium oxide rings to support different types of fishing lines. This design reduces friction and helps achieve smooth and accurate casts every time. Another highlight is the golf-style superpolymer handle, which stays firm even in wet conditions, giving anglers confidence and a secure grip while fishing for long hours. With its balance of lightweight build, durable materials, and comfortable handling, the Casking Crixs combo provides dependable performance for both spinning and bait casting preferences, making it a versatile choice for anglers at different skill levels. In our list, the number 5 product name is Casking Royal Legend Twin-Tip Fishing Rod and Reel Combos. The Casking Royal Legend 2 Twin-Tip Fishing Rod and Reel Combo is made to deliver reliable performance for anglers across a wide age range. With a rod length of 7 feet and a striking black and red design, it combines style with dependable build quality. The body is constructed from graphite, making it lightweight yet strong, and suitable for a variety of freshwater fishing needs such as bass, trout, walleye, and catfish. This fishing set provides both spinning and casting options, giving anglers flexibility for different conditions and preferences. The structure is designed with a two-piece build that ensures easy handling and transportation while maintaining balance and responsiveness. An additional tip section is included, offering peace of mind during long fishing trips by keeping anglers prepared for unexpected situations. The rod is enhanced with sensitive graphite blanks that allow for accurate detection of small bites. Its balance and light feel make casting effortless, even over long periods of time. Stainless steel guides paired with titanium oxide ceramic rings reduce resistance, creating smoother line flow and longer casts with consistent accuracy. The handle is fitted with durable EVA material along with a fighting butt and foregrip, offering a secure hold even during extended fishing sessions. This design ensures comfort and control while reducing fatigue on the hands. The spinning reel is crafted with multiple stainless steel ball bearings and a carbon fiber drag system that provides strong support for challenging catches. Combined with precision machine gears and a sturdy graphite body, it maintains durability against rust while keeping the overall weight low. The aerodynamic rotor adds smooth operation, while stainless hardware ensures lasting quality. The KastKing Royal Legend 2 combo blends style, durability, and ease of use, making it a versatile choice for anglers seeking dependable gear for various fishing adventures.